Ain't seen no new shows on metal detecting, so I thought I'd do one with my GTI 1500. We're gonna see what we can find today. We're hunting the old fairgrounds. See if we can pull out any stuff. I enjoy doing this. Become a good hobby. When it gives a signal when you pick it up like that, it's something deep and big. So you can just go on and hunt elsewhere. And you ain't gonna get nothing out of there. It's in the plug, what, about an inch deep. There it is. Nice clad quarter. Washington. Let's see. 1994 mint date on it. Stinking Lincoln. Little stinking Lincoln. No patina, but a lot of old dried up clay. Tell you, I don't know what I'd do without this propane. I think we're all right there. Yeah, we got a stinking Lincoln. A lot of them stinking Lincoln. If you fellas